Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I have another item that I've purchased from FGNormal. I treated myself to a new pen. This beautiful purple sparkly one just spoke to me. So it is I would say medium thickness resin or possibly acrylic, I'm not sure, pen, and comes with a set of a variety of metal tips. Oh, that's sellotaped shut. So they do pens that come with plastic tips that are a little bit cheaper. However, these, look how shiny they are. Lovely set, comes in a cute little box, and comes with a straightener, which is a thing that I didn't already own. Also comes with a bent tip that I didn't have before. I'm just going to move you down so you can have a better look. There we go. So we've got, they are numbered, so we've got a 6 placer, a 9, a 3, 2 singles, and then the straightener, which is, gosh, it could be a 12 place straightener, I'm not sure. They come already with their little elastic bands on them. I don't think we get any spares, just checking. And no spares, although I do have spares that have come with other tips, so that's not a problem. And then we just fit them. They just sort of pressure fit in there. That should be absolutely fine. And then I'm going to pop the straightener on the other end. There we go. They fit in there lovely. So I can't wait to give this a go. It was an absolute bargain. The price for this, so it's described as a 5D resin diamond painting pen with 6 metal tips in storage box. And ordinarily the price is £17.99, but the current price is £8.99. So absolute bargain, really lovely. And obviously you will see me use this in upcoming videos, and I will of course let you know if I have any issues with it in the meantime. So super short and sweet video from me today. Just wanted to show you this item, and as always, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.